it's Desiree, day 11. We are here, and yes, you knew there had to be an ornament that came into this, right? I'm just saying. I am featuring today Papertrey Ink, and this is their Feathered Friends, number 11. There's a lot of Feathered Friends, what I saw. This one happens to be an owl. I'm going to turn it into a snowy owl. Also going to be using a die set, 2 die sets from Simon Says. The one with Snowy Greetings for the sentiment, and then the Christmas foliage. I'm going to be using that one mistletoe branch. I've taken the sentiment and I've die cut the cloud. That's what I call it. I call it the cloud. 3 times to give that good chipboard. Now, this sentiment was cut. Do you remember day 9 where I slopped up that brown ink espresso from the metallic vintage slimline card? Yep, here it is. That's what I used this for. And it was perfect because I'm using ivory cardstock. Now that and I only die cut the Snowy Greetings sentiment once. So I wanted that chipboard part for the base of it. I'm now going to put together this adorable, well, I turned him into a snowy owl. I die cut the base twice just to give it some good stability. And then I chose a dark gray and a lighter gray. The cardstock that I'm using for the body is actual Simon Says Fog. No, I'm sorry. Gina K. Whisper. I'm sorry. Not Simon Says Fog. Gina K. Whisper. And then I chose a warmer, darker shade of gray, and then another darker one. And then I chose the charcoal brown for the feet, the V on top of the chest, and behind the eyes. So these are very easy to layer together because when you die cut the body, it embeds the elements in there. And that's what you can follow those. I do need to get another wax pencil. Yes, that is a wax pencil, believe it or not. Yeah, it's time for another one. And that one lasted me forever. But I just didn't want to throw it away. Now I'm going to put the chest plate on, and then I'm going to put the V, and again, that's in the chocolate, the charcoal chocolate brown. And you can see the small pieces for the eyes. And they have this little notch. So for the white, I put the notch facing down. And then for the black, I put the notch facing up. Just to give that difference for that. So I'm so glad that there's that white section. Because these are some tiny pieces. And I'm surprised I did not lose one. This base that I'm using, they are the Arteza wood bases. Now this is the larger size. These are the 3.5 by 4 inch diameter. I absolutely love these. Now I had to drill the hole at the top, and I actually have a hand driller. It's not an electrical one. It's just where you can turn it and it just goes right through these. So these aren't like a solid, damaging piece of wood. I was able to drill right through it. I cut the mistletoe leaves foliage from vellum. I just wanted something soft in the background, and I have them coming out. So I'm creating this V with the sentiment and the owl, because the owl's going to sit on the S part of the sentiment. So I'm going to have this foliage coming out of the center there, and I'm going to add some gold gems along where the berries are. And you can add any color that you would want, clear, red, pearls, whatever color that you would want to that. But I thought the gold matched really well with the wood and the Snowy Greetings sentiment. I am going to use double-sided foam squares on one side of the owl when I place her up onto this wood base. I'm going to remove the release paper, and you can see I'm going to put the feet right over the S. So it's like she's sitting on that S and leaning there. We all knew Snowy Greetings implies blizzard. But this isn't a full-fledged blizzard. This was like maybe a 2 to 4 incher. But we have to have some white splatters on this. Absolutely. It's a snowy owl. At least I think I made it into a snowy owl. Please, someone don't holler at me if I didn't. Oh my goodness. I just wanted it to be in grays. I'm going to use 2 different shades of twine, and I'm going to tie those together just at the top. I do shorten that because that's like really long. Here we go. We're going to shorten it right now and then trim that. And that is our ornament. I absolutely love this ornament. I think it is really, really pretty and different. So again, our layering die cuts doesn't have to be the Feathered Friends. It could be a floral. It could be a poinsettia. It could be a polar bear. Whatever you have, you know, give it a try. You know, have fun with it to create the ornaments for your tray. Hope you enjoyed day 11 with Papertrey Ink, creating an ornament. The products that I used will be listed down below in the video description as long as they are available. Absolutely. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave those down below as well, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and if you just stopped by just to check out the video, I appreciate that too, and I say thank you very much. Enjoy your art. Keep creating it. Keep taking these techniques and make them your own, or have fun making what I made. Enjoy. But remember what's most important. Always be creative, and I'll talk with you on day 12. Till then.